I'm constantly getting emails and messages from people asking me how much money do they need to start off with dropshipping and if they could start off with a smaller budget. So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and talk about that. So if you guys are just getting started learning about dropshipping, most likely you came across videos saying that you can start dropshipping with $200 or $300. And even though that's possible, it's highly unlikely, especially if you have $200 or $300 for your fixed amount. Like if that's your whole budget, then it's not gonna work out. Because if you're only using $200, you're really not leaving yourself much room to succeed. Let's just say that you set yourself $100 for Facebook ads. Then you have $100 left over to fulfill the orders and to pay for your sites or to pay for the plan. So $29 for the plan, $14 for the domain, and then you only have what, $56 left over to fulfill the orders. And if your product costs $6, that's not even 10 products. You can't even sell 10 orders. So if all you have is $200 to your name or $300, don't start drop shipping. Try to find ways to build that income or to make some sort of income to then pay for drop shipping. But if I had to give you guys a fixed amount, it would be $1,500. And I know it might sound like a lot for a lot of you guys, but hear me out. You would technically only be spending $500 because $500 will go towards Facebook ads, and then those $1,000 you could set in the side to just set as reserve. Basically, those $1,000 you're only going to use them every time you get an order. You're going to be using that money to fulfill your orders. So your Facebook ads or the money that you're actually going to be investing is only going to be $500. So try to think about it that way. Set $1,000 to the side to fulfill the order. So every time you get an order, you go ahead and fulfill it with that money, and the $500 is to actually invest into Facebook ads. So if you guys have a job and have a savings account, you should only be starting off with $500 and have $1,000 just in reserve. But if you guys don't have a job, then I would just suggest that you try to save up $1,500 to then start drop shipping. And like I said, you won't be using those $1,500 right away. Most of the time, you're only going to be spending $500 on Facebook ads, and the rest is just going to be to fulfill the orders. So don't try to let it overwhelm you. And for those of you guys who don't have a way to raise that amount of money, I really don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to say. All I could say is try to find a job. And if you guys are in a country where that type of money is hard to raise, then I honestly don't know what to say. Like sometimes some of you guys tell me this or just tell me that you guys can't raise any money because this and this, and you have this and this issue, or you're in this country. I honestly don't know what to do. Like I don't know what to tell you. I don't have any advice for you because I'm not, or I wasn't in that situation, because I've always been in a situation where if I want to make money, all I have to do is just stop being lazy and get a job or find ways to make money. So if you guys are in a situation where you can't get a job or where you live in a country that doesn't allow you to raise that much money, or where it's hard to raise that much money, I don't know what to tell you. But for those of you guys who live in a country where you could raise money and you can get a job, then just get a job, do Postmates, or just deliver Uber. I was gonna say deliver Ubers, not deliver Ubers, but drive people around on Uber. Just try to find ways to make money and to keep making money, to invest into Shopify, to just fund your businesses. So you could start off with $200 and then every month be adding to it from your job. So set aside every month a set amount of money or a percentage from your paychecks to just invest into Shopify, but start off with those $200 or those $300. And don't try to cheap out, because I also get some of you guys just email me saying, hey, I'm trying to find the cheapest way to get traffic, or how do I get free traffic? And although you can get free traffic, but remember, free traffic isn't always quality. If you guys are always trying to cheap out and try to go for the cheapest traffic or trying to go for just the cheapest everything, you're gonna have a hard time with your store because you want to add quality to it. You don't want cheap traffic. Unless you get free traffic from a page that you build in your niche, then obviously that's gonna be 1,000 times better. But if you guys don't have the time to build that audience, then the best way to go about it is paying for Facebook ads and not trying to go through these sketchy sites that send you traffic, which in reality they don't. It's just bots that visit your site. So just to recap everything, because I felt like I was all over the place, you guys can start with $200 to $300, but that shouldn't be your complete budget. That shouldn't be your fixed amount. You guys should be adding to it, and preferably you guys should have a job to be able to add to your funds or to be able to fund your business. And if you guys don't have a job and want a fixed amount, I would suggest you guys save up $1,500 to start drop shipping. And keep in mind that the $500 are only going to go towards ads, and then the rest is going to be towards fulfilling your orders. Or you guys could do it vice versa. You guys could set $1,000 for Facebook ads and $500 to fulfill your orders. And just stop being lazy, guys, and go ahead and start your store. Stop setting it back. Stop making excuses. Stop saying, oh, okay, I'll start when I make $300 or when I have $400 set aside. Just start as soon as you can. If you guys have $200 to spare, then go ahead and start drop shipping. Don't wait till you have 400 or 500. Just start and then be adding towards it. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have any questions regarding drop shipping or just any question in general, make sure to leave it in the comment section, and I will be making videos based off some of your guys' suggestions. So make sure to leave those there as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one.